That, and he did that by attacking a number of German tanks, being completely exposed on a dike, on this dike, but then a couple of hundred meters that way. He managed to stop the German attack, make them retreat, but was killed in the engagement. He was awarded the Medal of Honor, and that is only one of two Medal of Honors that were awarded to the American divisions fighting Market Garden. The other one was Joe Mann. That's something for tomorrow.
Was it a posthumous award, or did he survive?
No, he was killed. He was killed. Yeah.
Their objective was two bridges. That
Yes.
was their objective.
Yeah, their objective, crossing the Waal, was these two bridges. Yeah. Okay, then we should.
Good one, man.
The other bus is here, and Alan is getting anxious. He wants to be the first back.
So the bridges were still intact when they got over.
Yeah. The
Hey, Grandpa.
the rail bridge
Grandpa.
was later by German flotmen.
I don't think you're going to get it all. You get too close.
And they tied explosives around one of the pillars.
There you go. Lift it up a little higher. There you go.
But by then, there were a number of Bailey bridges built across that bridge.
Got it? Yeah, let me get it.
Congressional Medal of Honor.